Hey everyone, welcome back to Synthesis VDC. Today, we're looking at a common bottleneck in the Revit family editor. I have a family open here with more than 30 different parameters, and right now, every single one of them is set as an instance parameter. If I wanted to convert these to type parameters manually, clicking into each one, opening the properties, toggling the radio button, and hitting OK would easily take several minutes of tedious, repetitive clicking. Instead of doing that one by one, we can automate the entire process in just a few seconds using Dynamo. Let's go ahead and launch Dynamo from the Manage tab. We'll start a new graph. For this automation, we are going to use two very simple nodes from the Clockwork package. First, let's search the library for family document. Family parameters. This node is going to scan our active family file and pull a complete list of every single parameter inside it. Next, we need the node that actually handles the conversion. Let's search for family parameter. Make type. Once we drop that onto the canvas, we just need to connect the parameter output from our first node directly into the family parameter input of the second node. Right now, my execution mode is set to manual at the bottom left, which is perfect because we want to double check our family parameters one last time before running it. Switching back to the Revit window, let's open up the Family Types dialog box. As you can see, all of these dimensions, from D1 down through all the H and W values, have the word default next to them, confirming they are all currently instance-based. Now, let's bring the Dynamo window back up, hit the green run button, and let the script do the work. The run is complete! If we look at the watch node, we can see a clean list of all 49 family parameters successfully processed. Let's minimize Dynamo and check our family types menu again. Perfect. The default text is completely gone, meaning every single dimension has been flipped to a type parameter instantly. If you want to save time and grab this Dynamo graph for your own projects, just drop a comment saying script down below and I'll send the file link directly to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more clean VDC workflows. See you in the next one.